morning to everybody. My name is Sonika. I am a student of BSc Chemistry Honors. I am going to discuss about the physical properties of S block element. Start. S block element. S block element are those elements which have the last electron enter in the outermost s orbital. They are of two group. Group number 1, group number 2. Group number 2 are Group 1 number 1 are known as alkali metal, and group number 2 are known as alkaline metal, earth metals, because they are present under the earth crust. So due to their occurrence, they are known as alkaline earth metals. They have the general configuration NS1. They have the general configuration NS2. It consists of lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. Francium is a radioactive metal, and in this we have the beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. Radium is also a radioactive metal. Alkali metals are very reactive. They form strongly alkali oxide and hydroxide. Therefore, they are known as alkali metal. Alkaline earth metal, because the oxide and hydroxide formed by these metals are strongly alkaline in nature, and these metal oxides are found in earth crust. Now, first physical property is size of atoms and ions. So size increase as we move down the group: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. As we move along left to right in the period, size decreases. Second property is alkali metals are large in size, so group number 1 elements have remarkably low density. Lithium, for example, density is 0.534. Exception here is potassium, which have the density 0.850. Density है वो हमारी increase होती है. For example, iron, it have 7.9 gram centimeter minus 3 density. Third physical property is the ionization energy. So the ionization energy, as we move down the group, it decreases because of increase in size, or electropositive character or metallic character increase as we move down the group. So the ionization energy, we lost one electron, so it becomes electropositive in character. Second ionization energy is always greater than first ionization energy. The first ionization energy for the atoms in this group are appreciably lower than that of other group in the periodic table. Now fourth property is the electronegativity. That is, since these metals are highly electropositive, so these electronegativity tendency to attract electron are very low. So electronegativity decrease as we move down the group. Fifth property is melting point. All the alkali metals are soft. They have low melting point, but they have only one valence electron per metal atom. The energy binding of atom in the crystal lattice are relatively low. So the melting point decreases from lithium to cesium, and this decrease is due to increase in the size of the atom of the element. Now hydration of iron. Hydration of iron, the order of hydration enthalpy, that is lithium, then sodium, then potassium, then rubidium, and then cesium, and then francium. So lithium first, then sodium, then potassium. As the size of the iron increase, extent of decrease in the hydration enthalpy also decrease. Hydration radii, that is lithium, which is in aqueous state, then sodium, then potassium, and then rubidium, and then cesium. So now we will tell about the ionic mobility. Ionic mobility is greater of cesium, so it is inversely proportional to the hydration radii. Then it comes out of rubidium, potassium, sodium, or lithium. They are all present in the aqueous state. Now, next property, that is sixth, flame coloration. Flame coloration: lithium have crimson red color, sodium have golden yellow, potassium lily color, rubidium red violet, and cesium. So the reason behind the flame coloration is the energy of the flame causes excitation of outermost electron, which return to the original position and emit photons in visible region. The energy released in minimum case of lithium, and hence frequency of color is minimum. Now next physical property is the lattice energy. Lattice energy can be defined as the energy which is released when a cation and an anion are brought close together from infinity to their respective crystal sites to form one mole of ionic crystal. Higher is the charge of the ions, the greater is the lattice energy of the ionic solid, according to Fazan's rule. Cesium chloride, then rubidium chloride, then KCl, and then LiCl. For cations of same valency, lattice energy of ionic solid having the same anion decrease in the size of cation. Now last and the most important physical property is the oxidation state. All the S block elements, they show +1 oxidation state, they are colorless and they are diamagnetic. So after sodium lost one electron, so it get a positive charge. And thank you.